No one expected the editing world to flip the way it did. For years, Adobe Premiere Pro stood tall as the unquestioned giant of professional editing. It was the trusted tool for filmmakers, YouTubers, and commercial studios everywhere. If you said you edited professionally, people assumed you meant Premiere without hesitation. But something unexpected started happening quietly in the background. A lightweight mobile app built for quick edits began slipping into serious conversations. That app was CapCut. Most people dismissed it at first, assuming it was only for filters and simple cuts. But creators found themselves asking a surprising question. Is CapCut actually becoming a real competitor? That single question marked the start of an industry shift no one saw coming. Premiere Pro earned its status through years of control and stability. Editors expected long timelines, heavy projects, and advanced color tools. It handled massive productions and deep workflows with reliability. Your computer might struggle, but Premiere usually delivered in the end. Hollywood used it. Agencies relied on it. Big creators built entire careers around it, trusting it for everything. Premiere wasn't a trend, it was a legacy strengthened by time. CapCut, meanwhile, began as a simple mobile editor with easy drag-and-drop tools. It required no training, no tutorials, just instant editing. Millions of new creators loved that simplicity and freedom. But no one imagined it would ever challenge Adobe's position. Then CapCut transformed completely, almost overnight. A full desktop version appeared with far more power than anyone expected. Suddenly, it offered detailed keyframing, multiple layers, and clean 4K exports. Its chroma keying became surprisingly accurate for a free editor. Its auto captions landed with near-perfect timing. Its AI library expanded with creator-focused tools that kept improving fast. And then came the update that shocked everyone. CapCut added advanced AI tools with no plugins or extra purchases required. Background removal became a single click. Audio cleanup became instant and surprisingly clean. Silence detection, beat syncing, style transfer, and smart tracking arrived quickly. Features that cost extra inside Premiere suddenly became free inside CapCut. The conversation shifted almost overnight among editors. Creators no longer wondered if CapCut could compete. They wondered how a free app became this powerful so quickly. Editors who spent years paying subscriptions opened CapCut out of curiosity. What they found surprised them immediately. Tools they wished Premiere had built in were sitting right there in CapCut. The editing world suddenly split into two sides. Some defended Premiere's precision and long-form capabilities. Others embraced CapCut's speed and creator-friendly workflow. But this isn't a story of CapCut replacing Premiere entirely. Premiere still dominates areas CapCut can't reach yet. Its color grading tools are deeper, richer, and far more advanced. Its timeline handles huge, complex projects without falling apart. Its integration with Photoshop, After Effects, and Audition is unmatched. For documentaries, commercials, and large productions, Premiere still leads. CapCut is fast, but it struggles with truly massive workflows. Its color tools, while improving, still don't match Adobe's finesse. And years of industry trust keep Premiere rooted in professional studios. Where CapCut changed the game is speed and accessibility. Premiere is powerful but heavy and demanding on your system. CapCut runs smoothly even on mid-range machines without slowing down. Premiere takes time to learn properly. CapCut feels familiar the moment you open it. Premiere gives endless control. CapCut gives fast results with minimal effort. And in a world full of constant uploads, speed matters more than ever before. AI tools pushed CapCut even further into the spotlight. Premiere's AI is helpful, but built for traditional editors. CapCut's AI is built for modern creators who need speed and automation. Background removal becomes instant. Audio cleanup becomes automatic. Captions appear almost perfectly timed every time. Templates reveal another huge difference between the two. Premiere relies on pack downloads or manual template building. CapCut offers trending templates ready to drag and drop instantly. Beginner editors can make polished videos in minutes, not hours. This convenience challenged Adobe in a new way. And the biggest shock remains simple but powerful. CapCut is free. Premiere requires ongoing payment. Few expected a free editor to reach professional territory, yet here it is. CapCut's desktop version continues evolving at high speed. New features appear constantly and improve quicker than expected. Export settings keep expanding and getting more flexible. Professionals slowly took notice of these rapid improvements. Many Premiere editors quietly use CapCut for certain tasks. Fast captions, quick clips, and social transitions are often done in CapCut. Some even build assets in CapCut and refine them in Premiere afterward. CapCut wasn't designed for studios, but it found its place anyway. So which one is better in the end? The answer depends entirely on the type of content you create. If you need deep control for long-form content, Premiere remains the smarter choice. If you want fast edits, modern effects, and strong AI tools, CapCut excels. Both tools now serve different creative worlds. Long-form content still exists, but short-form is exploding faster than anything else. CapCut fits that world perfectly and continues to grow with it. Adobe has experience. CapCut has momentum. And both are shaping the future of editing in different ways. CapCut updates faster, while Adobe updates carefully and slowly. Both strategies have value depending on the creator. Even Adobe now knows the competition is real, which is why their recent AI push feels more urgent. This competition ultimately helps everyone, from beginners to veterans. The real surprise isn't that CapCut competes. The real surprise is that it redefined what editing tools can be. Fast, accessible, AI-driven, and free for everyone. So the real question becomes, which tool fits your goals? Premiere for precision, CapCut for speed. And for many modern creators, the answer might be using both together. CapCut for quick creation, Premiere for final polish and finishing touches.